Welcome to our programming channel. Today we are going to see continuous statement in C programming. The continue in C is jump control statement. The continuous statement in C can be used with loops. Continue can be used in loops and not in switch statements. It may only appear within the loop body of for, while, and do while loops. It is used with if statement inside loop. When the continue statement executes in the loop, the code inside the loop following the continue statement skips. Thus, continue statement skips the current iteration of the loop and continues with the next iteration. So, the continue statement mainly used for a condition so that we can skip some code for a particular condition. Thus, instead of terminating the loop, next iteration of the loop executes because of continue statement. Syntax is continue. Continue keyword. We are using same example which we have seen in video of break statement in C. For better understanding this video, it is recommended to watch video of break statement. Hash include stdio.h. Main function, we are taking integer variable I and integer array number. Size of this array is 5 and integer variable recno and initialize with 1. Now we are going to create a program in which we will ask the user to enter numbers. User can enter 5 numbers and then we will display those numbers. So here for loop. We are using array. So here I is equal to 0. printf enter any number %d, comma recano plus plus. For display entered number or record number, here %d and here recano plus plus. Here we have initialized the variable with 1. Scanf %d, comma and number of I. Printf your entered numbers are. Now we are displaying entered numbers or entered record numbers by the user. Here also we are taking for loop. Printf number %d is equal to %d, comma recano plus plus, comma number of I. This %d is for recano and this %d is for number of I. Build the program. Run the program. Now here assign value 1 to recano. So recano is equal to 1. Build. Run. We have entered 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Your entered numbers are, and here we get entered numbers. Now in this program we are going to use continue statement or continue keyword. Now we are allowing the user to enter 5 numbers, but if any user enter number 0 or number 100 or number greater than 100, then that number will be not accepted. And further numbers or next numbers except 0, 100 or greater than 100 will be accepted. So here in first for loop, condition is if number of I is equal to 0 or number of I greater than or equal to 100. Printf entry with number 0 or number 100 or entry greater than number 100 will be not considered. And here continue statement or continue keyword. Copy this and same condition in second for loop. Paste here, and here no need of this printf statement. So remove this and only continue statement or keyword and same condition if number of I is equal to 0 or number of I greater than or equal to 100, and here continue statement or keyword. Build the program and run the program. We have entered first number 5 and entered second number 0. Then we get the message entry with number 0 or number 100 or entry greater than number 100 will be not considered, and we can able to enter other numbers. Here we can see only 4 numbers. So here this second number 0 is skipped, is not considered. So here only number 5, 10, 15 and 20 are considered. So here number 1 is equal to 5, number 2 is equal to 10, number 3 is equal to 15, number 4 is equal to 20. In this way we get the result because of continue statement. So here when we have entered first number 5, at that time this condition became false, but when we entered second number 0, at that time this condition became true, and because of this printf statement message was printed, and because of this continue the iteration was skipped and new iteration was started. At that time we can able to enter other numbers and those numbers were accepted. And here also when first number was 5, at that time this condition became false, and when number was 0, at that time this condition became true. So here continue, and because of this continue statement that number was not printed, the iteration was skipped and new iteration was started, so other numbers were printed. If we enter numbers other than 0, 100 or greater than 100, then here we cannot see any message, and total 5 numbers are accepted and printed. build and run. Now first number is 0. We can see the message entry with number 0 or number 100 or entry greater than number 100 will be not considered. And if we take here 100, again here we can see the message, and again we have taken 200, again we can see the message, and here 10. Now three times we can see the message, and we can able to enter next records. Here we can see your entered numbers are number 1 5 and number 2 10. In this way we can use continue statement or continue keyword in C programming according to our requirement. That's all for continue statement in C programming. In our channel there are regular uploads of programming related videos. So for latest updates, please subscribe the channel and like and share videos. Thanks for watching.